Okay, partner, mukhang alam na ng taga Barangay 334, Zone 33, District 4, Santa Cruz, Manila, kung ano ang laman ng UH Mobile Tambayan.
Wala ka dyan, partner. Nagre-rehearse na kami kanina dito, mga katropa natin. During the break, eto, pakita natin yung practice natin, ha?
Pakita natin.
Okay, tara. Go! Give me a U!
Give me an 8!
Give me your wallet!
Ay, mali. Hindi, maiba yun. Give me a U, give me H. What do we have? Unang patingin pa lang yan, mga kapuso. Huwag na natin patagalin pa. Pakita na natin kung ano naman ng UH Mobile Tan. Let's go! Bring it on!
Bring it on! Open the truck!
Oh, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Baby kick, baby kick, oh, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Baby kick, baby kick, oh, you're so fine, you blow my mind. Baby kick, baby kick, oh, you're so fine, you blow my mind.
Alright, mga kapuso, kasama ng UDM, International College, and of course, University of Makati with the sex bomb wannabes, Princeton, and of course, our very own Ultimate Dance Diva, Richie Valentino, Public po, cheer dance, basic laban at UH Mobile, Tambayan Cheer Dance Competition. Alright! Bring it on! Bring it on! Let's go! Oh, partner! Come on, partner! Come on, man! Woo! Hey! Alright, son! Alright, son! Alright! Okay!